Stop scrolling and meet the Rimac Nevera, the electric supercar that's rewriting the rules of speed and performance. Powered by 4 independent electric motors, one for each wheel, the Nevera delivers a staggering 1,914 horsepower and 2,360 Nm of torque. What does that mean on the road? Try a mind-bending 0 to 60 mph in just 1.74 seconds, making it the world's fastest accelerating production car ever. The Nevera's carbon fiber monocoque chassis and sleek aerodynamic design aren't just for show. They keep the car stable and planted as it rockets past 250 mph. Each motor is controlled individually, allowing for unmatched grip, torque vectoring, and agility through tight corners. The Nevera isn't just about raw power. It's packed with cutting-edge technology like AI-powered driver aids, advanced telemetry, and a minimalist, futuristic cockpit that puts the driver in full control. Even more impressive, it can travel up to 340 miles on a single charge, proving that electric performance doesn't mean compromise. With only 150 units planned for production worldwide, the Rimac Nevera isn't just a car. It's a glimpse into the electrified future of supercars and a new benchmark for automotive innovation.